Jai Sriman After Bharata started noticing Sri Ramachandra Swami from a distance, Bharata, after realizing that Ramachandra Swami is looking like a person who is doing tapasya, then Bharata started running towards Ramachandra Swami. Bharata got so much shocked to see Ramachandra Swami, who is looking like a Muni, Rishi. Bharata could not bear that, could not suppress his grief anymore. Vilalapa arto bashpa sandigdhaya gira. The grief is coming out spontaneously, outpouring grief is coming out. And he was unable to even speak a word. But Bharata, slowly controlling himself, started to share his grief with Shatrughna and all others. Oh Shatrughna, look at that Ramachandra Swami. When our Rama used to be in the assembly in the kingdom, all people, all the assembly people, including all the Maharshis, used to respect our Rama. Now, such Ramachandra Swami is sitting here in the forest. Now, Vanya, Mrugaihi, Vanyaihi, Upasinaha. In this forest, only the animals are now respecting our Rama. Oh Shatrughna, our Rama used to wear such a costliest garments all the time. Now look at that. Our Rama is wearing Krishna Jinam. Oh Shatrughna, our Rama used to follow all kind of righteousness according to our scriptures while performing yajnas and yagas. Such Ramachandra Swami, look at that. He is now troubling himself in this dense forest, and yet he is not at all giving up the righteousness. Sarira klesa sambhutam. While torturing his own body, he is still performing and observing all the righteousness. O Shatrughna, Chandanena, Maharhena, Yasyangam Upasevitam. Our Ramachandra Swami used to be decorated with so many wonderful perfumes and so many fragrances. Such Ramachandra Swami's body, look at that. It is all mud is all over the body. Look at that Rama's body. O Shatrughna, man nimittam idam dukkham praptaha. Just because of me, Rama is going through so many pains, Shatrughna. This is my disgusting life. I am myself is disgusted about myself. Like that, Bharata is crying a lot. Even Rama is not at all close, but Rama is little bit away from Bharata. Just before reaching Rama itself, Bharata, with all that kind of grief, Papata Bharato Rudan, he just fell on the floor. From there itself, while looking at Rama, Bharata is saying that, oh my dear brother, slowly he could say, because he was unable to speak. He just said a single word, Arya, Rama, Anna, something like that, and then he was unable to speak anymore. His eyes are filled up with tears. His throat is completely blocked. He was unable to speak. Again, Prekshya Ramam Yasasvinam. He is looking at Rama. Again, he tried to speak a word, saying that, oh my dear respected Rama, oh Pujyuda, something like that he spoke, and again he was unable to speak anymore. Even Shatrughnaschaapi Ramasya, Shatrughna also going through the same situation. Both of them, Shatrughna and Bharata, Vavande Charanau Rudan. Finally they reached and they fell on Ramachandra Swami's divine feet and started crying a lot, Bharata and Shatrughna. while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.